When last year I had some good Bora and chicken, or in some places we call it Chinese long beans. Well, if it hasn't been a while like me, let's go ahead and hop into today's video, which is gonna be Bora and chicken done my way, aka Guyanese style. So let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. It's been God knows how many years that I have not had Bora, and the other day I went into the store and I found this and I'm like, I have to have it. So this is what it looks like. It's called Chinese long beans in some places. I'm pretty sure that is the name for it, but in Guyana we call this Bora. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what this is called in your country. Let's go ahead and wash this and cut it up. Alright, so today's dish is going to be pretty simple, nothing too long, nothing too crazy. I went ahead and I washed my Bora and I cut it up into the pieces that I like. Cut it up as big as or small as you want it to. I'm also going to be adding some various amount of peppers, red, yellow, and orange. Onions, here I have potatoes and garlic. You can also add tomatoes, you can add carrots, whatever you want to. And you're going to go ahead and add what kind of protein you want. I'm using chicken breast today because that's what I have, and I will not expense myself in buying anything different. So we're going to go ahead and just start to, and this chicken has been marinating for about 30 minutes, so let's go ahead and get it cooked. So you want to go ahead and start to sear off your chicken. Make sure you have your oil heated nicely so that way you can get your chicken seared off or get a nice crust on it. And then you want to give it some time to just marinate in its own juices while you fry it up. So you're just going to give this about a few seconds or so on each side, and then you just move it around a little bit. All right, after about 60 seconds on each side, you want to go ahead and add your peppers and onions into this, in which I'll do. All right, so once you add everything into the pan, you want to just go ahead and mix it up and get everybody marinate or incorporate it with each other. Mix it all up, and then you're going to go ahead and just cover this for a few minutes and let the steam start to cook the potatoes and everything else. You're not going to cover it too long because, like I said, this is a very simple and quick dish, so this doesn't actually take very long. And it also depends on how you like your vegetables. If you like it super soft, if you like your vegetables to still have a crunch, that's all up to you. Alright guys, so after everything's seasoned down or simmer down a little bit, you're gonna add your Bora. And is it just me, or the vibrant green color of Bora is so gorgeous? Like, oh, I just love how it looks. Anyways, don't let me get too lost into this. Go ahead and mix in your vegetables and your Bora and everything, and make sure they're all well incorporated with each other. They get to know each other. They're having a whole dance party in this pot. You want to go ahead and mix it up. And as you can see, guys, I have not added any kind of liquid to this pot. Some people like to stew down their Bora in curry. I don't do that. I personally don't add no other type of seasonings to it when it comes to like color wise. So no, I don't do that. But if you are the kind to do that, knock yourself out. Go right ahead. All right, so now after a few minutes of simmering down, everything is nice and tender and it's almost ready, guys. You want to go ahead and taste to make sure it's up to your liking. I'm going to go ahead and re-season mine with just a little bit more seasoning: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. As you can see, I don't cook with salt, guys, because a lot of the sodium or salt already is in the seasoning. So just do that. But just simmer to season it to however you want to season it. And as you can see, I didn't add no liquid to this, guys. If you want to add more and you want more of a gravy kind of Bora, go right ahead. If you want to season it with curry powder, whatever, however you cook it, go right ahead. Me personally, this is how I like it. So mine is pretty much done. Let's go ahead and plate it up. All right, guys, and here we have it. I served this alongside some white rice. You can eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. I know some people walk it down with roti, but again, to each their own. But like I said, I haven't had this dish in so long. I am going to enjoy this today. So just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys call this in your country, how you cook it, if you like it. Let me know, what other videos you want to see. And I appreciate you guys rocking it out with me. Until next time, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.